Hello students, in this video we are going to solve this problem from triangles perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC intersects BC at D, okay, such that BD is equal to 3 times CD. Alright, let us draw the diagram. We have a triangle ABC, so let this be A, this is B and this is C, okay. And perpendicular from A, if we drop a perpendicular from A, okay, on side BC, so this perpendicular, see, this is D, intersects BC at D, okay, this 90 degrees because AD is perpendicular dropped, right? Now such that BD is equal to 3 times CD, okay, BD is equal to how much? 3 times CD. So this BD is 3 times of CD given, and we need to prove 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Alright, okay. Now see here, what is this BC, complete BC? Can we write that as BD plus DC is equal to BC? Addition of this and this will give us BC. Okay. Now what is BD given? BD is 3 times of CD, 3 times of CD or 3 times of DC, right? Let me write CD here. Okay, 3 times of CD plus CD is equal to BC. So how much is this now? 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. 4 times of CD will be equal to BC. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now what is the value of CD? CD will be equal to BC divided by 4. We will use this after some time. We'll come back to this result after some time. Okay, all right. Now see, BD is equal to how much given? BD is equal to 3 times of CD. Let us substitute the value of CD here. So this is BD is equal to 3 times of CD. CD is again BC divided by 4. So this is BC divided by 4. Okay, we'll come back to this result also after some time. Now this is a right angle triangle. ABD is a right angle triangle, right? Because we are dropping a perpendicular and D will be 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle, and this smaller triangle will also be a right angle triangle. So let us apply Pythagoras theorem. So if we apply Pythagoras theorem to this triangle, A, D and B, 90 is here, right? Hypotenuse square should be equal to BD square plus AD square, isn't it? Hypotenuse square should be equal to BD square plus AD square. Okay, let this be equation 1. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem to this smaller triangle. What is that triangle? This one, A, D and C, 90 degrees is here. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, which is AC, so AC square will be equal to how much? DC square or CD square. Okay, let us write CD square plus AD square. This is equation 2. I hope you understood this much. Okay, now if you observe what is required, see, we don't have AD in this, but we have AD here. So how can we eliminate AD from these two equations? By subtracting, right? So let us subtract these two equations. We can subtract 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2. So this is AB square minus AC square. So I am subtracting LHS. This will give us BD square plus AD square minus this. Let me write that in brackets. Okay, it will be like this, right? If I remove the brackets, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, it will be like this now, right? See, AD will get cancelled now. Now we have AB square minus AC square is equal to BD square minus CD square. Alright, now let us substitute the value of BD there, because BD is 3 by 4 BC. So this will become 3 by 4, how much is this? BC whole square minus CD. CD is how much? BC by 4. So this is BC divided by 4 whole square. So this is equal to AB minus AC square. If you simplify, we will get our answer. This is 9 by 16 because square is for 3, square is for 4, and this is BC square minus BC square divided by 16. Okay, here we have 1 BC square, right? So denominators are same. So can we write this as 16? 9 minus 1 is how much? 8. So this will be 8 BC square. See here, 9 BC square minus 1 BC square. I am writing directly 8 BC square. Okay, this will become how much now? 1 by 2. Okay, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. So finally we will have AB square minus AC square is equal to BC square divided by 2. 2 is there in the denominator, right? Now if you send 2 on the other side, it will divide with AB square and it will divide with AC square. So 2 minus 2AC square, BC square will come here, right? Now if you rearrange this, if you send 2AC on the other side, so what is the result now? 2AB square is equal to 2AC square. This minus went on the other side, became plus BC square. See, we needed to prove this only. 2AB square plus 2AC square plus BC square. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Thank you so much for watching the video.